This is the Harley Davidson shop at 635 and Centerville Road. I'm going to show you how to get to our practice site from this location. Go to the south of the building, go through the Winco parking lot. After the second stop sign, make a right on Broadmoor. Make a right on Broadmoor at this stop sign. You are passing Montclair Elementary. You are going in the right direction. The next stop sign will be Birchwood. This is Birchwood. Make a left turn here. Your next stop is Northwest Highway, and you'll make a right on Northwest Highway. Make a right here at Northwest Highway. Continue on Northwest Highway past two stop lights. The first one will be La Prada, and the second one will be Oates. This is the stoplight at La Prada. Continue through this stoplight. Your next stoplight will be Oates. This is the stoplight at Oates Drive. As you continue through this stoplight, stay in your left lane, and your entrance will be on the left. It is called the Trails Parkway. You're going to the church, which will be up on the right, about a quarter mile. This is the Trails Parkway on your left. right past the apartments. It's a tree-lined boulevard as you make the left. The first entrance is on the right-hand side. You'll see a Garland City sign. As you pass this sign, it'll be just past this sign on the right-hand side. You are now entering St. Michael the Archangel Catholic Church, 950 Trails Parkway, Garland, Texas, 75043. This is our practice lot. We meet here on Tuesdays at 5:30. Start setting up at 5. We usually practice until about 7:15, and then we go to Jimmy's Burger to eat.